I have been practicing American accent for 3 months now. Today I'm going to read to you guys a small paragraph and I'm testing it with you. It's your responsibility to tell me where I'm going wrong or just rate me. Yes, I'm going to read it. I'm quite nervous and, and I don't know what that feeling is. A little bit shy. I okay, I'm going to read it. I really didn't expect things to turn out this way, but here we are. I tried to control every little detail, every outcome, every reaction, and honestly, it just made everything worse. So now I'm doing something different. I'm letting go, taking a breath, and trust. What's that? And trusting. I wrote this, but I can't understand my handwriting. And I trust that I'll figure it out as I go. It's not perfect and it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable, but it's real. And right now, real is better than perfect. And right now, real is better than perfect. I realized that I made a lot of mistakes while reading this paragraph. So, if you noticed any mistakes, what I did now, you will be my teachers and you have to, correct me and just rate me from 1 to 10 and and also tell me whether I sounded natural or just forced or in the middle or just artif- are just artificial. Okay, just tell me in the comments. Yeah, this was fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.